Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Voice Memos and capturing a clean clip now. Once you tap the red record button, speak in short takes and pause between ideas. This makes edits easier. Make sure your phone is steady and 6 to 12 inches from your mouth so levels stay consistent. When you stop, name that memo clearly so you can find it later, and tap Done. These first steps save time during editing and keep your YouTube workflow smooth and repeatable. Next, edit your memo inside Voice Memos. Tap the 3 dots, choose Edit Recording, then trim to remove long silences and unwanted breaths. If a short part needs redoing, use Replace to overdub only that segment rather than starting over. Once trimmed, apply the built-in Enhance or Normalize option to boost clarity. If you need more control, export the file and open it in Audacity or GarageBand. These steps make the audio ready for your video timeline and reduce noise and level jumps. Finally, export the cleaned memo. Tap Share and send via AirDrop, mail, or save to files in the highest quality. Then import that file into your video editor, align it with your footage, and use gain and EQ to match other tracks. Once synced, listen for clipping or background hum and adjust levels. If needed, convert the file to the editor's preferred sample rate or format. If audio sounds distorted, re-record the problematic lines or check your mic placement. This one step usually fixes stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.